2021 GMC Sierra AT4 1500. Added some LED lights to the front grille. They just stick on with double-sided tape that comes with it. I put the first light in the middle, and then I just measured out the other two on the outside and stuck them in. Very easy to install. The wire goes behind the grill and up to this top removable, cover, and I just wire tied it with black wire ties. You'll see here in a second where the wire is. There it is through the back. I just wire tied it through there, connected them all, and the wire I just tied the excess in below right here, and it comes right through this little opening that's already cut there, and ran it along here to the very back and grounded the black negative. Extremely easy to do. The red positive goes into the fuse box. I bought a fuse adapter off Amazon. I'll put all these links in the description to the lights and the fuse adapter. I just ran it up into the right parking lamp. Once you open your box, you can see the number on there. I think it was like 42.